Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can view your analytics over on Facebook. So in order to do this, it's really easy. Just open the Facebook app like this, and basically once you've done that, what you simply need to do is head over from home to the bottom right till you find menu right here, and then you of course need to go to the page you want to view your analytics of. Basically, once you've done that, you can click right here on See Dashboard. And then right here, we're basically already in the analytics. However, what we can do is we can click on See More Insights. And then what we can do is click on See All at the top right, just like this. And then you will basically be able to see a detailed analysis of basically your entire page, including engagement, followers, 3-second video views, 1-minute video views, and all those kind of things. And it's basically how you can view your analytics over on Facebook. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.